Okay, g'day fellas. Today we're just going to have a bit of a look at how to read and use a protractor to accurately mark out our angles. Now it's a fair problem in the journeyman's area, these guys being able to mark out, say for instance their box cutters or downpipes, even sanitary jobs to angles that are required to be accurate as per the plan. So we're going to have a look at that hopefully and work out a simple way to use this accurately. Alright. Okay, so we'll start out by having a look at how to read a protractor. You'll notice that we start off down here in the bottom left hand corner at 0, and then we work our way around working from left to right. Okay, so as you can see here we've got our 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Now once we get up to the 90 degree mark, we start to look at some angles that you probably are not as familiar with, both on the work site and in here. So we're going to have a look at how to mark out a 135 degree angle today and mark that out accurately. Alright. We need to have a start point for any angle that we need to mark out. So we'll give ourselves a straight line there and we'll make that point our start point. Now the important thing when setting up the protractor to use is we need to make sure that we have our start point accurately placed in the centre of the protractor there. Okay, so we need to bring that down and accurately place that on that point. The other important thing is to make sure, of course, that each side of the protractor is accurately placed on that line. If we're out of line when we go to start to mark our angle, of course our angle is going to be out. So in this case we're looking at 135 degrees as an example. So again, I centre that up in the centre, make sure that I've accurately got that sitting along flat, and we're going to start counting around to our 135 degree angle. Okay, so we're starting at 0, we then work up to 45, up to 90, and then we go around to 100, 110, 120, 130 degrees, and then we'll count out that last 5. So 130, 131, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so 135 degrees. That's the point upon which we mark. So we've now created a 135 degree angle from the 0 point round to that mark on the protractor. Okay, we now take that out of the way, and again accurately make sure that we go through the centre of both of those marks. That then leaves us with 135 degrees from the 0 point.